say hello.
Look, right in front of you, Laura. Oh my God, better than that. Look, right here, Ricky.
Oh, right below us.
Right below us.
Jeez.
Better than that, you don't get, and they're staying with us. Cool. Hi, guys.
Cool.
Wow. Man.
Throw some fish overboard.
It's probably because of the engine.
Oh no, they're not scared of it.
Ow, ow, ow.
See, they're like right in front of it, right in front of it.
Right
Yeah,
here.
they are. Yeah, they're playing. Look at that. Look at that. They're wrestling. Yeah, they're playing. That's crazy.
Oh,
They're giving us a
jeez.
show. They're not scared of it. This is cool. Yeah.
I'm going to be on National Geographic.
Right there. Oh, there's one right here. Oh my gosh. So cool.
There's more up ahead too.
Apparently they like the thing.
They like the like the catamaran.
When you go fast,
Yeah.
they go and they spin.
Yeah.
Hey,
Now, this is amazing.
no barking.
Chill.
Come on,
Chill.
get whoever that is out.
Root. Luna.
Come on.
Luna.
Oh, jeez. Amazing. Wish I could see.
If you put a little more power to the engine, they might come.
Yeah. Oh, look.
It's like 3 feet ahead of the boat. Hi, guys. Thanks for all the fish. So long.
Oh my God, and more over here. Wow. Look how he comes up. Right in. This is
Come on, guys. Get some air. All right.
If you
Get
give
back.
it a little more
Back.
power, I bet
Come
they'll
on.
go
Back.
with us.
Back.
Let's see what happens.
There's one.
Yeah.
Oh, they're going to attack.
This is crazy. I've never seen it. So close, right?
No, and every time I've seen, every time they've come up while we were sailing, I couldn't see them. They were too far away. These guys are.
You get a pretty view today, man.
We couldn't.
Sorry, guys. I thought we were like. I wanted to see you do some powerful things.
Oh, they're going back.
Wow, they just took off like a bullet. Somebody gave the word. Huh? Yeah. Oh,
I think if you got in though, they'd probably come over and say hi.
I think so too.
Yeah, they just
Like
came
stop?
to show us that, guys. Like here. Yeah, we're chill.
Got any fish with you?
That would have been cool if you didn't know what fish if we had. I know.
Cut up one of the dogs. Yeah, Ed is like, what? She looks right at me.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Oh, there they are. 3 of them at once.
Let's stay right in front.